Let's look at two quick examples of using the TEXTJOIN function. The first one, we want to go ahead and combine our first and last names into one single cell. So go ahead and type equals TEXTJOIN, and this takes three arguments. The first one is your delimiter. So this is what will separate your two cells when combining them. So for our case, we want to go ahead and do a blank here. And then this says ignore empty. So what this will do is ignore the blank cells, and if you hit true, it'll ignore them, and if you hit false, it will include them. So let's go ahead and hit true so that we can go ahead and ignore our blank cells. And the last one is where your data is going to come from. So we want to join John and Smith for first and last names. Go ahead and hit enter, and you have your combined name here, and you can autofill all the way down. So just an example, since we did put true of skipping the blanks, let's say for example Mike Ross, see how it just has Mike because it's skipping this blank one. So for our second example, we can go ahead and combine all our emails into a single email list, so then we can export it to Outlook and it'll be a lot easier for us. So again, we'll go ahead and hit TEXTJOIN, and our delimiter, in this case we want to use a semicolon to separate our emails. So go ahead and put a semicolon, and again hit true because we want to ignore our blank cells. And then last is our data. So we want to go ahead and combine all our emails into a single cell so it's easier for us to export into Outlook. Now if you'll notice, we have our list here, and you can go ahead and click wrap text to expand it. But we have John at test.com separated by a semicolon after Sarah. And then notice how it skips Mike Ross again because we had a blank here, and goes straight to Jessica at test.com, and then we have Harvey. So this is a great way to use TEXTJOIN, joining the names or joining it into some sort of email list or any other list that you might need.